Hello everyone, welcome back to Hookiit. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a simple crochet beanie. This project is super beginner friendly and can be completed in just 2 to 3 hours. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Alright, let's start by making a slip knot. After that, make 45 chains. Now this chain should measure about 12 inches because this will be the length of your beanie, including the fold for the brim. Now, to move to the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. Then, make 40 single crochet into the back points of your chains. Now this gives the edge a nice and clean finish. Now, you can use any stitch for this project like the half double crochet or the double crochet stitch. If you need a detailed tutorial on how to make these stitches, click the link that just popped up. Once you finish the 40 single crochet, make 5 slip stitches. I like to mark the first and last slip stitch to keep track and avoid mistakes. Next, chain 1, turn your work and make 5 slip stitches into the back loops only. Now the back loop is the part of the stitch facing away from you, as you see in the video. After that, make 40 single crochets in the back loops all the way to the end of the row. Then chain 1, turn your work and repeat the pattern. 40 single crochet followed by 5 slip stitches. You keep repeating this until your beanie is long enough to go around your head. Mine took about 7 rows, but yours might be a bit different depending on your tension and yarn. Now, if you're using a single color, just keep going until your project wraps around your head. Now, if you want to switch colors, it's super simple. When you're about to finish a single crochet, stop just before completing it. Then yarn over with the new color and pull through the loops. Then chain 1, turn and keep following the pattern. Once your beanie is the right size, fold it in half. Then insert your hooks through both loops on each side and make a slip stitch. Do this all the way down. Now, for the top of the beanie, take a piece of yarn and weave it through the stitches around the opening. Pull it tight to close the hole. Now, you'll notice that there's still a little gap at the top after pulling. All you need to do is get a darning needle to sew it together to close it up completely. And that's it. Your very own crochet beanie is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, New Crochet Project. Also, if you have any crochet project you'd love to see a tutorial on, just type it in the comments. I would love to hear your ideas and create something. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.